Hello, welcome back to my channel Computers Knowledge. Today I will give you some basic formula in Excel. My first topic is on how to use addition formula in Excel. First click equals to from keyboard. Then take a value which you want to add. Before taking a value, open bracket, then select the value, give add sign, then again take another value like I am taking here. Then close the bracket and click enter. Then drag it down. And now you are done. My next topic is how to use subtraction formula in Excel. Let's see. If equals to, then select the value like I have shown you here. The daily income is 2000, 5000, 3000, 1000 and 6000, and the expense is 2000 to income and 500 expense. 5000 income, 700 expense, 3000 income, 670 expense, 1000 income, 300 expense, 6000 income, 1500 expense. Now I will minus daily income and expense. Select the daily income, give minus sign, and then take expense and hit enter button. You have get the value. Now drag down to get all the value like I have get here. Now I am done. My next topic is how to use multiplication formula in Excel. Again here we have click equals to from keyboard, type product, hit on tab button, take the value. This is the multiplication sign in Excel. And again select the value from which you want to multiply. Close the bracket and hit enter. Now I have get the value. Now drag down. Now I am done. My next topic is on how to use division formula in Excel. Equals to sign from keyboard, select the value. This is the division sign in Excel. Then select another value from which you want to divide, like I have selected here. Then again hit enter. You have get the value. Now drag down to get all the value. Now you are done. Today my last topic is on how to use average and partial formula in Excel. I have taken one data from there. I will show you how to use average and partial formula in Excel. First I will show you how to calculate average while using average formula. Click on cell, give equals to sign, type average, hit tab button from keyboard, select the total value of Mr. Sen, give divide sign. As I am having 4 subjects, Word, Tally, Excel, Fact. so I am giving 4 and closing the bracket, hitting enter button. Now I am done. Now drag down to get all the value. To increase the decimal value, go to number, click on increase decimal. You can see the decimal is increasing. To decrease the decimal value, go to number, click on decrease decimal. Now I will show you how to use pass cell formula in Excel while making result. Give equals to sign, type if, hit tab button, select 50, then select greater than sign, then again type 50, give comma, open inverted comma, type pass. Close the inverted comma, and again give comma, and open inverted comma, type fail. Close the inverted comma. Now close the bracket and hit enter. Now drag down to see the result of the data like I have got here.